Happy Friday, everybody. We like to say Friday.
We don't like to say fry, whatever the hell it was.
Friday.
Okay. I'm going with whatever.
Yes. It's
I'm worried about it. Please.
Welcome to the Dan Show.
Whatever this is.
We've got some good energy around the office today.
Always.
Every day.
Every day.
Mm-hmm.
I come to the office just because it's so good. I never go home.
No, you are here quite a bit.
I love it.
In and out meetings, lots of things going on behind the scenes as always. But this week we got some pretty cool news. It happened in September, but we just found out about it.
Which thing are you talking about?
There are so many good things you
I
don't even know where I'm
we
going.
got some pretty good. We've got a ton of. I don't even know where.
So one thing. Well, I want you to the Russell.
Okay. The Russell 2000.
Yeah, there you go.
Does anybody know what that is? The Russell 2000. You've heard of the S&P 500, the Fortune 500, Forbes 500, S&P 1000, or Russell 1000.
All
Russell
the different
2.
indexes.
Yeah, there's a ton of indexes, and we got allocated into the Russell 2000. That's huge. There were 3 inductees. Aero Group, AIRO is their ticker. Us.
This was in the industrial category,
yep, that's
right?
right. Yep. And the third one was Voyager Technologies, and they're actually a multi-billion, 7.8 billion. No, I don't know if it's 7.8 billion, but $2.3 billion company. I'm gonna just show this to you if I can figure out where we are here. Can you guys see that?
I'll include it later, but that's the official announcement from the Russell Index.
Yep, that is amazing. That is that's really huge. Mm-hmm. I can't believe it. So we keep hitting these huge milestones, right?
Yeah, and this, you don't solicit these. That's just you earn it.
You can't solicit it.
Yeah,
it's all quantified by metrics that we can't control,
mm-hmm.
market cap mainly, and things like that. But I think it shows the trajectory of where we're going and the awareness that's all around Arrive AI. So keep putting the word out, right?
Mm-hmm. It's really neat. We're going to be able to soon make a lot more content of our behind the scenes work going on because we're moving into a brand new building.
That's stealing all my thunder.
Well, I want you to.
I
just have to keep it moving.
The Kylie show. It's the Kylie show.
I'm a segue artist.
Okay. Well, let me do. You do the segue, and I'll take it.
Okay. So we will soon be able to show you a bit more behind the scenes because
we're moving to a brand new building. Not brand new, but very new. Yeah. Due to us. Check out the pictures Kylie will show you here, right?
Yeah, I'll put them on the video.
Yeah, this building is amazing. 30,000 square feet. It's everything a NASDAQ company corporate headquarters should be. It's really close to where we already are. Mm-hmm. So we're not disrupting any employee, logistics or anything like that.
Right.
So it's exciting. Got a lot of work going on in the building right now, repainting, some new flooring, a bunch of cubicles. It's going to be amazing. I can't wait for you guys to see the picture. We also have frontage on the highway, so you can see the Arrive AI branding. Mm-hmm. We're getting some signage, some cool. Maybe Kylie can show those renderings.
For sure. It's neat because there's going to be a prototype assembly line, basically, this manufacturing space, which is going to be cool to show because our team has just exploded.
It has. There you go. That was the next thing I was going to talk about, all the new people. And
I'm ruining this show.
You really are. You're killing me.
Really sorry.
Is there anything I can share first?
I'm so excited.
You know what? We were about in the 40 range maybe on people right now. So we're right on schedule, getting to the number that we've been saying by the end of the year. So it's a lot of people to digest, right? I have to confess, I don't even know everyone's name.
That's how many people, a lot at once.
I was traveling a lot, and people are coming in with me when I'm not here.
Yeah.
And so I want to know everyone's name.
It's been really neat. They've had workshops and brainstorming sessions and to come up with solutions and ideas, and the way their brains function is just fascinating.
They say that about us.
Oh, for sure.
in not maybe the best way.
Right.
But what are you guys thinking over there?
Yeah. No. Your brain works that way. But just, software engineers, AI experts, mechanical engineers,
Come on, who else?
Product development, supply chain management.
I'm not going to help her anymore.
We have all the things.
We do. What else? You can give me something because I'm trying to remember what else we had on our list.
Well, so now you need my help?
I do. I'm beyond help, but yes.
You are leaving Monday to go to New York.
That's right. That's the big thing. That's going to
Mm-hmm.
be exciting. Going to the Maxim conference, present. I've got, excuse me, I've got 20 one-on-one meetings,
Yeah.
and then I'm on a board or a panel. Sorry,
Mm-hmm.
and I'll be discussing around AI in the market and that kind of thing.
Yeah, it's an AI and software panel, and Dan is representing Arrive AI, and there are 4 other panelists there, 4 other companies represented, and it's all about how each company is using AI in its roadmap, in our case,
Right.
and in their products and what they're developing, from software services to actually using AI in a hardware is kind of what we're doing, which is cool. We're using it in different ways, but
Right. Right. So can't wait to get out there. There's going to be a lot of opportunity for exposure.
mm-hmm.
Um, and that's great. Any exposure is good exposure, right?
Yeah.
Just like PR. Any PR is good PR.
And going, well, that's debatable, but
Well,
I guess it
I
is.
think it is. I think it is.
um, it's neat that you're going into it as representing a company that's on the Russell 2000,
Yeah, that's cool.
right?
I should get a button or something.
Announce
Right.
it. New
That's
inductee.
every time I meet somebody, I'm gonna say Dan O'Toole, ARAI of the Russell 2000. That's my
Yeah.
new.
NASDAQ listed.
That's right. Nasdaq listed. I'm like a kid in a candy store,
Yeah.
right? I'm gonna peek in the Nasdaq
Uh-huh.
window, guys.
Yeah, you should look on our socials for that video because it never fails when Dan goes to New York and he's at NASDAQ market site.
Hey,
His eyes just twinkle.
it's true. I'm pinching myself still.
Mm-hmm.
And when I stop doing that, that's gonna be bad for everybody,
You're
right?
never going to
I'm
stop.
never gonna stop. Let's keep raising the bar and having fun and doing what we're doing.
Yeah.
It's amazing.
Yeah, we have a couple of our team members are going out to New York as well, this coming or like next weekend, hopefully for like some drone demos with our unit
Yeah.
and everything. So we'll have more to come on that as long as everything goes according to plan. We do have some fun things happening at Hancock Health. Our
Are we doing like a Halloween dress up thing?
We are. So our office manager, Angela, she's going out to Hancock Health on Monday, and she is going to dress up the robot in a
She's the
Halloween
queen of
costume.
balloons. I'm sure there's gonna be balloons
Maybe.
attached to this thing somehow, right?
And we're also participating in Hancock's Trunk or Treat, which will be neat. So we'll
Awesome.
have the robot out there, and then our
We have a media
truck.
day coming up.
We do have a media day coming up. There'll be many more announcements on that. We'll issue a press release and whatnot with that information. But it is exciting because the system there has been up and running enough to start to quantify some of the data, which we've found it is really reducing the time spent running errands, for these healthcare workers, giving them more time with their patients. So that's been great. They've been wonderful to work with.
That is great. What else can we talk about?
I think that's pretty good.
I want to sneak in. I just thought of the share buyback.
Oh yeah.
I just want to touch on that. As you guys remember, we announced up to $10 million of a share buyback, ending at the end of Q1 in 2026. Up to that point, and I just want to address for housekeeping reasons. It doesn't mean we're buying a full 10 million. We didn't even have 10 million on our balance sheet when we made that announcement. But there's things out there that, if they culminate, we could result in us having substantial capital on our balance sheet. And if that is the case, one of the options that we might have in front of us is a share buyback. I will say that we have been active in buying some shares back already. So I just want to clarify that. Now, there's been a lot of speculation about that. I just want to clarify that. In that announcement, we wanted to do a couple of things. Wanted to signal to the market, that we feel like the stock is undervalued. We also wanted to do a shot across the bow of anybody short selling our shares in our company, and let them know that there could be a looming buyback. We do have a small float of our shares out there, and so small moves can create big moves. So wanted to get that out there, and I just want to clarify for everybody, so nobody feels like we misdirected anybody or anything on that. If we did get board approval for that, and if you read the press release on that, there's a lot of disclaimers where we might purchase all of it, we might not purchase any, It could happen now, it could happen later, it may not happen. All those things. I just want to be clear about that, but I wanted to give you the reason behind why we did that. And we did kind of put some money where our mouth is, and we continue to evaluate opportunities
Mhm.
and what's the best use of capital, and where we're going to get the best ROI for the company and its shareholders. So, keeping that in mind, just wanted to share that. Um, we're going to be moving in the next week or so, right?
Yeah, next week we'll start to move in. It'll be a phased in approach, but it'll be the beginning. It's been a lot of work because they not only did we purchase the building, but we have renovated it as well. So
We were leasing the building.
leasing the
I just
building,
want to be clear
correct?
about that.
Sorry, leasing the building. But there was a lot of renovation that went into it.
Absolutely.
So
Yep.
some updates, brightened the place up, put in some
Yeah,
Arrive Green inside,
that's
and
right.
it's
We got
looking
to do that.
good.
Arrive Green always brightens everything up, right?
Hmm.
There you go.
We had to add a bunch of cubicles, and because
Yeah.
we have a growing team.
Yes, we do.
Yeah,
Hey, it's
it's
exciting
great.
stuff. You guys call me if you need to talk.
Hmm.
Always here. Love our pre-public 5,000, the OG 3,000. You guys are great. Um, just a couple other things I want to say. Lynda Elliott, Tim and Lynda.
Mm.
They're a couple of our great investors. Lynda had a heart attack. There's a GoFundMe page that we put up to support. If anybody sees any way to help them, they didn't have insurance and they had quite a large bill. I'm glad to say that Lynda is recovering. She made it. Go Lynda. So anyway, try to help out part of our team, right? Our community.
I'll put the link to the GoFundMe in the
That'd be
captions.
great. Hey, one other thing I'm going to throw out. I just thought is my son Reese has a company called Joy Coast. He does wooden watches and sunglasses. Joycoast.com. Love my kid. If anybody wants to go on that website and use my promo code DAD, that
Nice.
gets you 25% off. That it's our way of giving back to you guys. So
Did
if
you
you
ask
want,
him if you could do this?
no, I didn't, but he gives me full discretion. He knows I'm his biggest supporter. So anyway, I'll leave you guys with that. You got anything else you want
No, I think
to?
that's
Okay.
perfect.
Did I leave anything out? Is there anything else you want to say?
No,
Okay. You
I'm
sure?
good. Yep.
Okay. We might
I'm
come
trying to
back.
think of something I want to steal your thunder on, and I am. Let's see. I don't know. Darn it. That would have
Okay.
been good.
Okay. Well, we'll get you next time.
All
All right.
right. Thanks everybody for
Bye, guys.
joining.
Thanks for joining. See you. Buy more.
Happy Friday, everybody. We like to say Friday.